see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
I see you pulling up to meet me when you call. I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me. I know you're fancy, baby, something's on my mind. So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you no. Can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? No, so should I pretend that the feeling isn't true? No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? Love you like I do. You find it really hard to say, but I can fix that if you sleep right next to me. You're so confused about the way I look at you. It's not intentional, I'm trying to find the right.
That's not in there.
There's mice in there.
There is.
What's at stake? Would you be my girl? Would you be my world? You know I can't break now. Let me show you.
Gotta get the one in there.
Loving me is what you need. It's a fact and simple. Loving me is what you need, and it's so simple. Loving me is what you need, and it's so. Yeah, loving me is what you need, and it's so simple. It's a fact, it's simple. 'Cause loving me is what you need, I can feel it when you go. Loving me is what you need, don't you get it, don't you know, baby? So, loving me is what you need, and baby, it's so simple. Trying to tell you, baby, but you just don't seem to see it, so no, can I pretend I don't love you like I do?
We'll go back one. Yeah, there.
It doesn't actually show it.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating.
Alright. Come on, kiss.
Now you want to come with me?
Yeah, buddy.
Where's your
Mom, we're going to show how.
Okay. Watch the car, okay?
Yeah.
There's Zaki boy.
Where's mine?
Where's the file I'll bring up?
Oh, yeah,
I want chips. A small olive, please.
Okay, oh,
Thank
can
you.
I ask John for a bag?
Yeah, we got bags.
No, I'll ask him, they got big ones.
I got big ones here too.
I
Yeah,
need,
just grab one for me.
Yeah, just grab one here. We got lots here
it
for
costs
you.
none.
Oh,
You can get more.
12, 20.
Mum, you'll get more if we get...
Alright.
Nah, you
Been communicating through satellites. Yeah.
Hi guys! Tanghali na, 12:30. Today is April 25, Sunday. And gusto ko maglinis. And kanina tinulungan ako ni Jan na ilagay yung bigas doon sa container na nabili ko sa Kmart. And tapos na ako mag-edit. Nakaligo na ako. And uploading na yung vlog. And ano pa ba? Alis si Jan guys. Alis siya. Iwan niya kami mamaya. Pupunta siya sa 2 hours away from our house. Kasi yung friend niya, isa rin siyang fisherman. Yung, ano ba, yung tumutulong sa kanya, yung parang tulad kay Tommy, yung crew niya, nag-quit na siya, and nagpaalam naman na maayos, and kaya nga, pinayagan din naman, kasi may reason naman siya kung bakit siya umalis. The thing is, yung friend ni Jan, hindi pa siya tapos mag-fishing, hindi niya pa tapos yung quota niya. Si Jan, tapos na si Jan nung, ano pa, February pa ba yun? End of February ata. Basta tapos na si Jan, matagal na siyang magtapos. After yata ng birthday ko, tapos na si Jan mag-fishing. And, yeah, so, hindi na nag-work si Jan. Wala na siyang work. Busy lang siya sa farm, tsaka sa boat, kasi nga inaayos niya yung mga pots. So, tsaka yung kanyang inaasikaso ngayon ni Jan ay yung kanyang charter. So, walang charter si Jan. So, nagtanong yung friend ni Jan kung ano, nabanggit baya, Bicol yun. Nabanggit nung friend ni Jan na, yun nga, nag-quit na yung niya, yung tumutulong sa kanya sa boat. And hindi pa siya tapos. And sabi ni Jan, wala pa naman siyang booking this week. Sabi niya, siya na lang daw muna tutulong. So, yun, aalis si Jan. Mamaya, nakaligo na siya. Ready siyang umalis mamaya. How long you gonna be there, Han?
a week, but I'll
A
come
week.
back
1 week siya dun, guys. Pero sabi niya, you're coming back Wednesday because we have my appointment kami sa tax. So, Sunday today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So, 3 araw hindi namin siya makikita. Kasi yun nga, yung pupunta niya, 2 hours away. So, hindi naman siya pwedeng uwi tulad dito. Malapit lang si Jan mag-fish. Kasi doon, pwede rin mag-fishing doon kung saan yung friend niya. So, yung ibang fisherman doon nag-fishing. Si Jan, dito niya pinili kasi gusto niyang umuwi araw-araw. So, and, yeah, so doon siya for 3 days. And, alam niyo ba, dadali niya yung golf buggy. Kasi, yung ano doon, kung saan siya pupunta, yung bahay nung friend niya, magkatabi lang ata yung golf course. Excited ang buwang kasi, after fishing daw, mag-hit siya. Sabi ko, wow, parang naka-holiday ka. Tapos tawa lang siya ng tao, sabi niya. Pag na-miss daw namin siya, pwede daw ako mag-drive na to. Sabi ko, hindi, kasi hindi pa nakapag-drive doon na ako lang. Kaya sabi ko, hindi. So, kaya Wednesday, babalik siya kasi may appointment kami sa tax. And, yeah, so once namin siya makikita. And yung kitchen, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And yung mga boys, kumuha sila ng lunch namin kasi hindi ako maglulutong lunch kasi may tira pa akong humba may tira pa akong humba dyan and sabi ko hindi ako magluluto kasi wala naman si Jan, so ubusin na lang namin yung tira kong humba, yun na lang yung dinner namin. So nagpakuha ako ng chips kasi nga mayroon ako ditong yung cheese na bigay ni Ray's, yung powder cheese, so yun ang lunch ko. And, yeah, mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung kusina kasi naayos ko na siya. Panira lang yung aking mga zucchini doon, no? So, yun lang. Tapos, mamaya may i-haul ako sa inyo yung sa Target. At dito na sila. What you got me? What?
Some chips.
Yeah. What's this one? DP dog?
DP.
Ay, what's this?
What driving you doing?
Mocha.
You only go to the map too, so you got 4 of the tank.
Can you put gas, please? Mocha dog. DP dog sabi ko. Mocha dog pala to, guys. This is my chips. Okay, eto yung ano, walang salt kasi lalagyan ko to ng cheese. And, what you got, Papa? Mocha dog. Sabi ko, DP dog. Mocha dog. And, what's this? Pop Tops. So, yan yung lunch ulit nila. Favorite nila. Masarap naman kasi to, pero ako hindi ako masyad dito. Gusto ko lang chips. And si Jan, ayan na yung kanyang. Andito na yung kanyang bagahe. Diba? Iiwan niya talaga kami. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, isang bag talaga to. Ayan. Tapos ito yung kanyang toiletry. Ayan, alis na siya. Lagyan niya lang ng gas yung aking car kasi quarter tank na lang daw yun. So, ayan, alis siya guys. Ang laki ng baga. How's your lunch?
Good.
Good?
Hot.
Hot.
Hot, good.
Hot, good. Put it here kasi pag mainit, tingnan nyo. Nakita nyo yung white. Yung white. It's not hairy. Hairy daw to. Nakita nyo to? Kasi sobrang init ng food nila. Minsan nakakalimutan nila maglagay ng placemat. Kaya nagiging ganyan. Puti.
Excuse me.
Okay. That's my chips.
That fell all have the fell
Alright. Yeah, etong chips.
The Allendale ones. They're the best ones I've had.
Yeah, masarap ang chips. Mas masarap pa siya sa McDonald's. No? Sa mga, ano, yeah, this is really good. Masarap talaga to. Ano kayang oil yung gamit nila? Kasi masarap.
Better than every chip in the world.
Pardon?
This is one of the best chips in the world. And it.
Yeah. Kulang tayo ng bag. Ito yung kung saan ko linalagay minsan yung baon ng mga bata. And yung ating cheese powder. Linagay ko na siya dito para madali lang. So, i-transfer natin to. Kasi dito, hindi natin yan shake. Sabi ni John, wag ko raw to laging gagamitan or kakainin kasi hindi raw to healthy. Totoo naman. Pero sobrang sarap. Bakit kaya ganun, no? Yung hindi healthy, masarap. Yung healthy, hindi masyadong masarap. Ayan siya, guys. Dagdagan ko pang konti. Gusto ko ma-cheese. Ayan, sarap. Kunin natin to. Anong kulay? White na lang. Oops. Yes. Huh?
Why do you like the cheese?
Yes.
Why?
Because I love cheese. Yummy. So, kain muna ako ng lunch. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Si Holly, nagugustuhan din to. Kinukontrol ko lang siya. Ayan na, oh. Sabi ko na sa inyo, eh. Not much, ha? Hindi ko siya masyado kasi medyo maalat siya. Ito, ang sarap. Hinanapan ko lang siya ng hot. You excited, Han, for your holiday?
Oh, yeah.
Dad, look! Dad!
Excited?
Look! Dad, look! John Wick!
And, tinanggal na namin yung
Oh, hold
mga...
on,
tinanggal na namin yung ibang mga, ano dito, oh, mga toys. Yan na lang yung natira. Tinanggal na ni John. Not yet. Go! Pinapatay niya yung mga langaw. Ang dami na naman langaw na nakakapasok.
Yeah.
What time you're leaving?
Now. We're going down up. We'll sit over there and up drive.
An hour na? I thought 2 hours.
Well, while we had a cruising for the trailer.
Yeah, 2 hours kasi may trailer siya. Okay.
You can call me, Bubba. Where's your phone, Bub?
Bye-bye. Are you starving? Hey, Jack.
Nice mocha dog, darling.
Dad, when I put it under there, turn it off.
Lagi niya yung ginagawa. Kaya, ang ganda ng katawan ni
So
Sak.
you're not going to bolt this bag.
Lucky. You got that bag. Yung pala yung purpose ng bag niyan. Di ba yung nabili niya yan noon sa ano? Under Armour? Kita niyo si Sak? Laging ginagawa yan ni Sak. Kaya ang ganda ng katawan ni Sak. Aww. We're not gonna see Daddy for 3 nights. Or 4 nights. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 nights.
I ain't got enough stuff.
I think so, huh?
I'm going to go after a short couple of minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Close the door.
got to move the tar and put the yoke back first.
Okay.
Dad! Dad!
Oh,
Oh, Holly. You're gonna miss Daddy.
Bye-bye!
hang on.
Why don't you bring your old car, Han?
Oh, yeah.
Nadalhin niya yung AMRAP. Ayan.
Dad! After the football? After
Why?
just come here.
Ay, may ano. Alam nyo ba, ang next kong pipitasin talaga. Ang mga eto, o kasi naman, what?
See that dead mice?
Ew, may patay na mice. Eto, ay, ang cute. May mga ano ko doon. Mayroon akong malilit na, tawag nun, vase. Ha? Where? Another dead? Ang dami ngayong mice. Sabi ni Jan, hindi lang daw kami. Marami daw na, mga ano din, mga bahay na may problema. Pero hindi naman sa loob, sa labas lang naman. And eto yung sinasabi ko, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo? Eto, ang ganda nito, puti ang kulay nito. Meron itong purple, pero eto white. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Yeah, ito hindi namin to dinidiligan, pero ano sila, parang wala, ganyan lang sila lagi. Kahit hindi namin dinidiligan, buhay na buhay pa rin sila. And first time ko kayong itour dito, guys. Sa labas na kasi nga, ayan, yung mga plants. Ay, magpipitas-pitas na ako dito para ilagay ko doon sa vase. Doon sa kusina, 'di ba? Kasi yung dahon ng puno yung nilagay ko. Dati may fence dito, kaso nung merong ano nun, malakas na hangin tas ulan, natumba na yung fence. So wala na tayong fence.
Mom,
Kapitbahay na yan. What?
it's not dirty.
Yeah, I will wash it. Yes.
After the football, we're gonna play the PlayStation.
No PlayStation. And eto, maganda to. Maganda rin tong ano, ilagay doon sa ano ko, sa vase. 'Di ba? Para siyang eucalyptus ang ano niya. Tama ba? Parang yung ano niya ba, yung shape ng dahon. So yan. Makikita niyo na sa kusina mga dahon-dahon ko. Kasi may bulaklak. So yan yung aming munting halaman dito, guys. Si Holly. Where are you going? No, you're not. Sa Tuesday, balik na siya sa dancing kasi back to school na. Sa Tuesday. Are you excited?
Yeah. Is that room?
No, that's right.
We have one more sleep. Okay, bye, Mom.
Anong bike? Come on. No. She said, when you drive, she's gonna jump. No, you're not. Come on.
Look at the ants everywhere.
I know. Tingnan niyo ang langgam. Ayan.
I'm gonna jump off. You wanna jump off? You gonna jump off too, then.
Say, Bubby,
You wanna jump off?
you're not.
I am.
Come on,
after
not
the
Daddy.
football,
Stand up
we're
there.
playing it. Playing it after the football.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch my movie.
No. Jump off.
See you, honey. I'm gonna miss you. Love you.
Yeah.
FaceTime.
Dad,
Love you. Be careful there, huh?
Yeah, bye.
Drive carefully and
only 1
be
hour.
careful.
I think I got everything.
Dad,
Think
Dad,
so?
Hour and a half.
Mom.
Yes.
hello.
Let me see what's in there.
The golf sticks, shoes, and rubber boots.
Rubber
Jacket.
boots, jacket. Oh, ready na siya. Go, single life for 3 days,
Oh,
Johnny
yeah.
boy.
Dad, we're playing it after
Oh, see you, kids.
football.
Say see you, daddy.
Dad.
Oy, no. Danda lang naman si John. Holly, wait, honey. Holly, stand up. Han, stand up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go, Han. Okay, go. Ayan lang naman. Bye, daddy. Love you. Bye, honey. Okay, let's go, Baba. Okay, pasok na tayo.
I miss
5.
Daddy.
You already miss daddy, me too. Okay.
Go, I'll go that way. Mom.
Okay, alright. Ito na tayo.
Already said goodbye.
Thank you, kuya. Tingnan nyo yung pinagdodrawing dito ni Holly, tsaka ni Sophie noon. Muna kami sa labas. Naglalaro yung mga bata. Si Holly nasa si Star tsaka si CJ yan. Nagkikik sila ng footy. Hi. It's hot. It's not hot. Mainit kasi kanina pa sila naglalaro. Ala, kuya, careful. Daddy's not here to get that ball. So just be careful. Kasi minsan nasasabit dyan o kaya nailalagay nila dyan sa bubong. Pahinga muna sila sa movie. Dito muna kayo sa labas. Kanina, how many movies did you watch? 2, 1, 5, 3 movies. Pina-fast forward nila. Wow. Alright, go. Kahapon, nag-race silang dalawa pero hindi ko yung na-vlog. Kasi busy ako magkuskus sa kusina. Tsaka usap ko rin sila mama, diba? Okay, go. Malulobat ako, dali. My battery is almost flat. It's blinking now. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, ready? Wala yan, kuya! No! Sisa kasi mabilis kaya nauna na dumadaya na kuya! No, alright, okay, it's alright, Zach. Okay, wait. When I say go, okay, ready, get set, go! Mabilis talaga si Sak, tumakbo. I know, Daddy said that too. Oh! Huh? My battery is blinking. Wow! Kumakautos ka, ha? In my office. Ayan, kinuhaan tayo ng battery ni Sak. Ito yung flat na. Okay, malamig yung hangin. The wind is cold. Hi, Papa! Success? Did you wash your hands, Papa? Good girl. Okay. Ready? I have to buy you a new boots, Baba. Kasi medyo masikip na yan. Yeah. You too? Huh? Gumboots? Okay. Yeah. Okay, go, Ollie. Okay, nauna na siya. Okay, Zach, go. Wow. Go, Zach. Sige nga, humahabol mo si Oli. Go, Baba, go! Hurry up, Baba, hurry up, Baba! Oh, go, Baba! Wow, Zach! Careful, Zach! Ang bilis niya talaga. Good job, Baba, good job. Ang bilis niya talaga. Tumakbo. I know. Nauna kasi si Holly. Nandun na si Holly nung hinabol niya. How about you, yeah? Ooh. You miss Daddy? I miss Daddy already. Okay. Oh, Daddy's not here to get that ball, I told you. Hindi pa sila nakapaglaro ng PS4 today. Sabi ko wala munang PS4. Bukas wala pa silang pasok. Bukas Monday. Wala. Tuesday ang pasok nila. Buti na lang lumabas na yung araw. Kasi malamig yung hangin. Yeah, you're really fast, Sak. I want show me your belly, Sak. I want that abs. Sak, show me here. Show it. Yeah. No, it's too quick. Like, do this. Oh. Papa.
Mom, I found something. You know where this comes from?
What?
From my old bill.
Yeah, put it in the bin. Okay, go. Ready? Okay. Careful na, careful, careful. Oh, what's that, Zach? Ice cream? It's cold. Yeah, you're hot because you keep running and kicking footy. I'm cold. Maybe I'll get ice cream.
Huh?
I will get ice cream on Tuesday. I don't know. My grocery also Tuesday. Yeah? Where is it? Guy. Alright. Wow, good job, Baba. You're good, Baba. You know how to play golf. You know how to kick footy. What else you can do, Baba? What? Oh. Ginagaya niya si Sak. Wow! Yeah, careful. Ginagaya niya si Sak. Yeah, yes, yeah. Yep.
Because I hit the ball before.
Yeah. Kumuha na siya ng tubig. Okay na. Thank you. Are you hot? I'm cold. Hot? Go? Yes. Nope. Ang goal kasi yung sa middle. Alright, go. Try again. Yes. No, again. Alright, I'm watching you.
If he hits me in the head. Jack, hits me in the head.
No. Go, Zach. Yeah. Oh, yabang. Sige nga, patunayan mo. Prove it. Go. Here, Zach, so I can see your kick. So we can see your kick. Oh, almost. Ah. Ah. Go. Good job. Go daw yun, guys. Go. Go, yeah. You can do it, Kuya. Alright. Do it, yeah. Hindi talaga, Kuya. Stick to golf, Kuya. Alright, Pardon? Wait, Holly. Yes. Aside siya. Good job, Zach. Ayan, naka-goal siya kahit ganun ang ano niya. Nandun siya sa side. Ha? Yes, yeah. I'm believing you, Kuya. Oh, ayan naman si Kuya. Sige. Go, yeah. Wala talaga. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Wow, Sak! Kita niyo yung guys, ano vlog ko? Tingnan ko ako na vlog ko. Pinanood namin. Pinanood namin ni Kuya. Nakunan ko siya. Go, Kuya. Yes, so high, yeah. Oh, go! Yeah. Go, Sak! Oh! Oh! I'm going in because I'm cold. Oh. Umuulan ng bola dito. Ha? Oh, thank you, Papa. Thank you. Yes. Good job.
I'm hungry, Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going inside now. Ipakita ko na rin sa inyo yung ating bagong look ng kusina, ha? Alright, come on. I'm freezing, yeah. Thanks, Holly. Hinahag ako. Good job! You did it, Kuya. Okay, I'm going inside now. Alright, one more daw. Okay, go. Come on, because I'm going in. Don't wreck that ball, Kuya.
Dad already broke this.
What? That one? Is it broken? Is it the new one?
Nah, this is an old one that he used on a driving range.
Alright. Is that yours or Dad? Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm going inside now. Good job. What? Alright. Oh, alis yan. Okay. Okay, go, Baba. Good job. Okay, let's go inside. Come on, come on.